Hello guys, VG or whatever here. We're gonna play some Roblox West, and I know I wasn't sleeping right there. I didn't show that part just cause everything stopped working. But I do got 38 logs or wood. And I'm not using a mic right now, but be nice. I don't know why I'm not using a mic. I used to be a pro at this game, but I died. There was once a hacker though, who gave me an infinite ammo gun, but I don't have it anymore. Where'd this guy go? Sorry if I'm wasting your time, I'm gonna skip. Oh, I was about to skip. We might as well want to make a base. But I only get 15 minutes at max because it's just a free version of this recording. Sorry if you hear my mouse or my keyboard. Last one. I like to challenge myself like that. I really want to... Okay, did this person even realize that people can go inside of his base? Let's have that as a quick tip. Oh my gosh, it's a maze base. I'm not sure. There's not a lot of people on the game right now. Because it's school night, so it's going to be in a little while. You guys are wondering, how am I recording this? It's from a screen recorder. I'll show you that right now. Screen recorder is also sponsored by, hold on, Web Launcher Recorder .exe. Really good. And quick shout out to the I don't know. I don't have any shout outs yet. Lots of people are also hacking in the game. Oh shoot, I need some water. Like now. Is this even water? That is water. Just hold on, I'll give the shout out right now. I'll do the shout outs at the end of the video, because I really can't get to it right now. I have to focus. Oh. No, yeah, you can't hear the computer or anything that I'm hearing right now. You can only hear my voice. I have 99 wood. It's good. Good. Why can't I drink? Is this not even water? How am I drowning? That's weird. Let's ignore the chat. We're not going to listen to the chat. I don't have any. Why is it? My stomach hurts in real life. I really need a chicken, so we will start the pecking. I really don't have any food right now. I'm definitely going to die. I do have a base right where that, never mind. So, I'll make a part 2 also of this game. Oh no. Don't want to go in there. I don't have any stuff. I'll craft a spear. Sorry if it's laggy. This is a really low quality computer. Kinda low quality. It's a desktop. Not that low quality. It could run Steam games, which I'll do in some other videos. Probably a next video on the forest, which is going to be kind of laggy, like this right here. I really have to use the bathroom. Okay, sorry that. Really sorry. I need to find a place, and then I'm gonna pause, and then I'm gonna come back. Alright, see you guys. I'm doing the video now. Okay, guys, I just died while I was using the restroom in the game. So I have to start all over again. But it's alright. I'm not hacking because I just see where the spark is going. So if you hear the background music, that's just I'm doing a video. If you go over here and you see a little house, that's actually where I actually lived in the game. It's actually really good. I can't really tell. See that house? That's what I made. It's pretty much mine. Yeah, and somebody raided it. So I can't really have it as my house anymore. It's destroyed. Somebody raided it. I need to gather some wood. Chicken! Sorry, wrong voice. Chicken's under there. I can't really get under there. I can't really destroy that. Oh shoot, I don't have much time left. Lag. Sorry if it's lagging. It's my screen recorder. It's making my computer lag. I hope this actually doesn't. Oh my gosh, it's gonna lag still, but I don't care. And whoever is first to like comment on this video, they earn a shout out because they were happy that they viewed the video. Because this is my first time with the screen recorder, so please be nice. I haven't I started playing this game like yesterday. I'm trying to save up for Road Live. Only 5 more minutes, guys. And then maybe sometime I might get some more stuff, and then pretty much just because I'll get more stuff when the video ends, so, and then upload it, or probably edit it first. I don't have an editing program yet. I got 38 logs. Let's see if we can craft a hatchet. Yep. Knew it. I knew it. Blueprints. Hammer. I have lots of stuff. Oh shoot, not copyright. I try to do the default dance music in my mouth, so like voice music. We could craft a pickaxe. Oh my goodness. I really could have made a wooden bow. No, actually couldn't yet. I really need a workbench. I had so much metal. So much metal that somebody came up and hacked my but then somebody came and hacked me to just die, and then pretty much lost everything and destroyed my base. So rest in peace, my base, please. Whoever says whip base gets a heart, no, gets pinned, and then I'll give them a shout out. Whip base. And I can't have a webcam yet, pretty much. I'm not using hacks, guys. I can't have hacks on here anyways. This is my parents' computer. 35. If you hear...
Hurry up, you got 5 minutes, I gotta do my report.
I'm making a video, Mom. Do not disturb me. Okay? This is for money. So if you heard that, that's just my mom trying to ruin the